In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 side hustles that you can start from the comfort of your home, and make money. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you, I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you, and I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Yes, so, and if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, hyper, I know I don't need to be told. Let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer based here in California. I drop 3 to 4 videos every week, so make it a date. You know, on this channel, it's all about money. It's your money making channel. I'm your business mogul, and on this channel, I share with you guys all things money. If you want to make money, tune in. Don't miss it for anything. Have you joined the family? Subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, click on all so that you get notified for all my videos. Yes, so subscribe to my channel, tell a friend, like this video in case you have not liked this video. Yes, we are sharing value in this video on this channel. Yes, so so come with me, guys, let's go. Let's go. So whether you're looking to earn an extra buck to fund a getaway, or you want to monetize your stay at home, you are in the right plug. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 side hustles that can really be done from the comfort of your home. All you need is a good internet connection, consistency, and of course basic computing knowledge. It's actually, none of this is hard to make, but it's going to give you a fair reward. Now here are 5 websites that pay you daily. Number 1, Prolific. Yes, prolific.com. Now, Prolific is a research platform that allows you participate in paid studies. Yes, you can actually earn $100 per day or even more participating in studies related to a wide range of topics, including social sciences, psychology, and consumer behavior. The next website is Swagbox. Yes, you can get rewards for surveys and more and so much more. Now, Swagbox is a platform that lets you earn money by completing simple tasks like watching videos. Yes, you can make money watching videos. You can also make money taking surveys on this platform and get paid for it. So guys, you actually earn Swagbox that can be redeemed for cash or gifts. Now, this website, Swagbox, has paid out over $500 million in rewards to its members. Now, the next website is QMe.com. Yes, so now, QMe.com is a website that pays you to search the internet. You can actually download the QMe browser extension and earn money by clicking on sponsored search results. Now, you can also earn money by taking surveys and completing offers. Yes, so guys, guess what? Another website where you can make cool money in a day is secondtonone.com. Yes, now Second to None is a secret shopping website that lets you earn extra income by doing things like shopping and dining out. It's a website that offers mystery shopping services to various industries like retail, dining, hospitality, and so much more. As a mystery shopper, you would visit assigned locations and evaluate the customer service, cleanliness, and overall experience that the establishment has put in place. You would also provide detailed feedback to Second to None, and they would pay you for your time and effort. So while the pay for each assignment varies, depending on the complexity and duration of the task, mystery shopping can be a fun way to actually earn some extra cash while also getting a chance to shop. Yes, you're shopping for free and you're dining out for free. Another website is Google Opinion Rewards. Yes, it is a survey app that allows you to take short surveys and earn money doing so. And you can take these surveys whenever you have a few minutes, and the money is sent directly to your PayPal account. Yeah, so this is an easy way to earn a few dollars in your spare time. What are you waiting for? I've done all the homework for you. Head over to the link in my description and start to apply to these amazing websites. Oh yes, I already have all the websites listed, so yes, head over to this website and start to make cool cash for yourself. I shared in one of my videos that when I was working in the bank as an exclusive banker, I had a side hustle, and I was equally making my salary in one day just from my side hustle. Yes. So guess what? Side hustles are a great way to kickstart the entrepreneurial boss in you. Yes, you can become your own boss one day, so it starts small. So start the side hustles, and when you find out that you don't have to rely on your paycheck, you don't have to live from paycheck to paycheck, you're already living, scaling out of the poverty brackets, yes, gradually. So yes, I'll implore you to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I share all things money. If you want to make money, you want to make cool cash, this is the channel for you. This is the plug for you. On this I don't know how to hoard information. I'm going to share everything with you guys, because I want all of us to win, and win real big. So so join this train, join the we are the billionaires we are the billionaires in the making. So go ahead and join this family. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. And yes, just so in case you missed my previous videos, please head over to my channel and start to watch my previous videos. I've shared lots and lots and lots of websites and platforms where you can make money easily. There was a video I made on how to make lazy ways to actually make money. I'm telling you, these are things that you can actually, these are tested and trusted. They are actionable steps that you can take and make money from the comfort of your home. Weird ways to make money. Do you know you can get paid to sleep? Yes. Companies are conducting researches, sleep studies. They ask you to sleep for 5 hours, 3 hours, and tell them, what's the difference between, the things that you're able to note from your sleep. Yeah. So there are ways. I've shared so many ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. Weird ways to make money, lazy ways to make money. And I also shared in a video, one of my videos, how rich people actually give out money for free. Yes, if you're looking for such opportunities, while I do not encourage begging on my channel, I love it when there's dignity in labor. But of course, I understand that some people are truly, truly in need of money. And no matter how much they work, they can almost never pay up their debts. Some people are in huge student loans, and they are looking for ways to actually offset these loans. These rich people actually, can pay off your student loans for you. And then they can also fund your medical expenses. Some people are going through a lot, hard times funding their medical expenses. These websites that I shared in that video, I'm going to leave the video link here. You can apply for, you can put your profile and tell them what you need money for, and they will give you money. For some of you, you want to start a business, but you don't have money to start that business, but you have the great business idea. Yes, these were on that website. In the video, I shared websites where you can get free money to start your business. Yes, and as well as so many other ways to make money on my channel. So yes, do not miss it. Join this train, because on this train we are only here to win big. I don't know about you, but me, we're on the way up. Yes, and if you also want to make money as an affiliate marketer, if you want to work for me or you want to work with me, send me an email. You find my email in the description of all my videos. Shoot me an email and let's discuss business. Yes, so me, my life is all about, it's so easy. I want everybody to win and win real big. And make sure that you check out my previous videos. Like I said, if you have any question, if you have any research tailored to if you want me to make a research tailored to your specifications, please do it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all these researches for you guys. Also note that there are no stupid questions on my channel. Feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Don't be shy to ask questions. I do not bite. I don't beat. Ask your questions, ask away. Yes, and if you think I'm speaking way too fast, let me know as well in the comments. But also note that you can reduce the speed to 0.75, and it makes me speak a little bit slower. Yeah, so let me know if you want more content, the kind of content you want to see more of on this channel. I'm working for you guys day and night. I'm here to serve you guys, and of course Mariah is here to work for you. I'm here working day and night, making sure that doing research on various ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, to make money online, to make money real big this year. So yes, I hope this video has been a blessing to you, and I hope that this video has also sparked up some creative juices in you. You're able to think of other ways to even make money, even outside of what I've shared in today's video. Yes, if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button in case you have not. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comment. Like I said, I'm building a community here. I want to know you guys. Yes, what part of the world are you watching from? What is your name and what do you do for a living? I want to make friends with you guys, my community here on this channel. So of course, I will see you guys in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.